again.
Okay, so we are doing hood vents on John's NC's hood. So I already have the hood off and taped up. I will show you that in a second, but yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are the same vents that are on my NC, so it's exactly the same. We are doing 36 inches down, 7.5 inches in, and then I'm gonna place a stencil on that piece of tape, and it'll go right here. Right there. You'll see. We're gonna put the stencil on next. Cuts are done, so we should be able to peel this up. So I just got to get a flat head in there and peel it up because it's bonded to the underlayer. Voila. See how it goes? There's layer 1. I'm going to do a rough outline of layer 2, flip it over, do extra on the inside. The reason I'm doing extra on the inside is that way when you look up from above the hood vent, it looks a lot cleaner. And this car is just a little bit fancier than mine, so I'm going to take the extra time to do that effort for this one. Whereas I didn't do that for mine, and I just spray painted it black, called it good, but this one we're going to go the extra mile. I'm fighting the rain here, so I apologize. The camera angle is a little weird, a little different. We're trying to get this done before it starts pouring. And by we, I mean me. Hi, you helping? No, I'm just crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little black spray paint magic so that when you look down into the hood vents, you don't see that fresh cut look and it just looks black and engine bay-esque. Okay, so now I'm going to keep drilling and riveting this as we go. Fortunately, this car's been repainted, and clearly it's not a great paint job, so the vinyl actually pulled up some of the paint. This did not happen on my NC, so this is not a reflection of the vinyl. We already knew this car had a terrible paint job, which is fine because this car's getting a new color. So, not the end of the world here, but don't freak out if you see this. It has nothing to do with Spike's product. It's literally to do with my car, John's car. So let's keep going. Okay, here we go. Hood vents are in. I think they look pretty good, if I do say so myself. Not to brag. And going in with the black paint and going a little extra on the underside with the cuts really makes it worth it because you cannot see anything under here. And that looks great.
Ta-da!
No, this is John's.
Half price, baby, and it's brand new. We love half price things.
Wow.
You have no microphones. You don't even know what I'm saying.
No, you can hear you from the camera.
Half price, baby.
Wow, fancy.